Hello guys, welcome to Empower channel. In this video, I will show some websites where you can do your certifications, means learn some skills and knowledge. And the first website is Udemy, and they are also having the Android application and also iOS application, so you can use this Udemy in your mobile only. And you can see here there are so many categories like business, design, photography, development, marketing, IT and software, person development. So you can get all that category of the courses of that category will be provided here. So let me provide some instance of how it will be going to work. So I am going to select development and I'm going to select web development. So you can see here it's already filtered as most popular or trending. I would recommend you to take this course if you are willing to pay 700 rupees, as it is showing 700 rupees at present, the money, because this is really a good course. Or if you want to purchase any other course, just click on that course and you can get to know what you will learn from that course and the course content, like what it will be providing, front-end development, introduction to HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and all that will be provided here. 25 more sections will be there. So if you click on that, you will be getting to know what you will be learn in this course. So you will also learn know the requirements which you want to have before purchasing this course. And now you can also get to know the ratings of the course. Now there are, in this website there are paid and also free courses are also there. And the main and very good feature of Udemy is they will be providing 30 days money back guarantee. So if you purchase any course and if you don't like that course, then you can get the 30-day money back guarantee. So here you can see the filter, and you want the course of 4.5 ratings, then you can select it here. And video duration, if you want to have video duration of let me say 2 hours only. And you can also select the topic, and let me show, you can also select the free or paid here. So let me select free here. Then you can see all the courses which are rated above 4.5, as I have filtered 4.5, and all the courses which are of the duration 0 to 2 hours with completely free. So you can just click on this any of the course which you want to do, which is free of cost, and then you can see the content of that course and what you will learn from that. So you can see here. And the main disadvantage of this is they will be do not provide any certification of completion. Before they were providing, earlier they were providing certification of certificate of completion, although it was a free course, but now they are not providing the certificate of completion for the free courses. Please note that if you want to gain knowledge, then you can definitely do these courses, but you won't get any certificate of completion. So as I said, education is should be free of cost. So how will you get this course for free along with the certification? Don't worry, in my next video I will be uploading the Udemy courses which will be free of cost, but you will also get the certification of that course. So please subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends so that they can also get benefit from my videos. So this is the Udemy website. So let us go to the next website, that is EDX. So in EDX you can get the courses or degrees from the top universities like Harvard University, you can see here, and top universities. And also here you can get the courses of the Microsoft or any other companies, IBM, especially IBM. So let me just you can see here categories which courses you want to select, you can select. So I will go to the full stack development. So the future of EDX is that you can access the complete course freely. Either it may be degree course from Harvard University or any university, you can access that course by auditing to that course. But you can't get the certification for free. You have to pay. Let me show some example. So let me take some example. This is a course, and you can see here what you will learn as you seen in Udemy. You can also get what you will learn here, and it will show the time which you need to complete this course, and also the money for full program experience. Means you will be getting the access to the course, but you can't get the certificate until you pay the money. So you can access the course freely, but there is another disadvantage. It may not be disadvantage, but you should finish that course within the time given. In Udemy, you can do the course any day or any time you want, but in EDX you will be having some stipulated period. Before that period you have to finish that course. So after that you can't access that course if you haven't paid. So their certification fees is almost very high, so I don't recommend you to pay for EDX, but it is a really highly qualified certificate. If you have money, then you can invest in that. It will be really a good investment. So you can search here for the courses and programs and degrees, professional certificate, online master's degree. You can also get the master's degree from foreign universities in EDX, and for free you can access all that courses, but be noted that it will be having some stipulated of time. Before that time only you have to finish that course. So the next website is Coursera. I think everyone might have seen heard about the Coursera website. So you will be having so many courses here and degrees here, micro degrees, everything will be provided here. And if you just get to explore all courses, and you can see degrees, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or Master of Science. You can do degrees here, and also you can do some of the courses, popular topics like Java. I want to do some course on Java, then I can search for Java courses, and you can join for free here. Means you can join for free. So if you join for free, they will be having some method of payment. Means you have to pay. There will be no one-time settlement. Means you have to pay monthly some amount. Means like 3,000 or 2,000, like that. You have to pay amount for that. So don't worry. In my next videos, I will be providing the courses which will be free of cost, and you also get the certification. In this video, I am just showing what are all the websites which you can, from where you can learn something, and you can also audit the course as you did in EDX to learn the knowledge. If you want to get knowledge, then EDX and Coursera is really a best choice for you, because you can get the all course content for free, but you can't get the certification, and also you need to finish that course within the time stipulated which is given to the course. The next one is the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is providing so many courses for not for free. You have to pay 1,400 something, that much of amount per month to access the courses. It will be complete. You can access all the courses. It will be having so many courses, 1,000 to more than 1,000 courses you can access, but you have to pay 1,400 rupees for month. And you can see here, start my free month option is there. That means you can access the, here you can see 16,000 free and paid courses. So for a month, for a period of month. If you are studying in final year, or if you are searching for a job, then I will recommend you to check for start my free month, and you can learn what you want to learn, and also it will be really helpful for you for getting job, I think everyone will be having their profile in LinkedIn. If you are not having the profile in LinkedIn, then just go to LinkedIn and create your own profile there, because it will really gonna help you in your job. So this is for those who are in searching for jobs. But if you are learning, then don't try to use this start my free month, because while because you are learning now, so while you are applying for the job, LinkedIn premium membership will really help you for getting a good job. So don't start my free month, click here if you are learning. But if you are searching for the job, then definitely try this and use this for free 1 month, and you can also get the premium content, like you can also apply for jobs, and you can directly chat with the HR of any company. So it will be really helpful if you are a LinkedIn premium member, if and only if you are a job seeker. If you are a student, then I will recommend don't go to this website, because don't access this free month, because it will be helpful when you will be seeking for job. So the next website is Eduonix, and it is similar to the Udemy. So you can see here you will be having the bundle, means mighty Python bundle, like that. You will be having 136 hours of content, like that, and you can also have the lifetime membership. So you can get each and every course in the amount of 49,950. So as I said, education should be free of cost. I am not going to say any of you to purchase all these courses. Just be tuned in my YouTube channel. I will be uploading the courses which is free of cost from the next video. So we are about to conclude this video. So we did this video to understand the difference between Udemy, Eduonix, edX, Coursera, LinkedIn, and which suits you best. So if you are a student, then I will definitely recommend you to go for Udemy and Eduonix, and I will be providing the free courses with along with the certification, like that courses, in my next upcoming videos. So please subscribe my channel. And also, if you want to get the knowledge only, you don't bother about the certificate, then definitely go to edX and Coursera. And also I will be providing a Coursera free courses along with the certification. So please watch my next video carefully. It will be about the Coursera free courses. And if you are preparing for the jobs, you want to get some job in a good company, then definitely go to LinkedIn, because they will be having the premium membership if you pay them. Otherwise, you will be having 1 month of the free membership, so you can utilize that and to get a dream job. So this is for today, and please subscribe my channel and share this video, like this video, and also see the next video, which will be about the Coursera free courses, so where you can also get the certificate. So thank you guys.